This oil control valve was stuck open, so I want to show you how I managed to free off the hand wheel. What I'll do is unscrew the wheel now, which you have to do by turning it clockwise. I'll take it down to the workshop and show you what I've done to it. The way they operate, there's an internal thread inside there which you can't quite see, which is left-handed. As you screw the wheel in, it pushes this brass pin, which I can just about move against the weight of a spring, and that lifts a valve back inside here. So taking the wheel off, there's no risk of oil coming out. Right, let's go down to the right, here we're looking at the inside of the hand wheel. Here's the left-handed thread which engages the valve you saw earlier. On the inside we've got a brass cylinder. This is soft soldered in, which acts as a fire safety device. If the solder melts in the event of a fire, the wheel will slip forwards, turning the valve off. There's a connection between the main part of the steel body here and this part which carries the thread, and in this one that was slipping, so no matter how much I turned it, the valve wouldn't come apart. The way the joint is formed is by swaging over the edge of that steel through this hole, and as I said, that was slipping. The way I released it was to drill a hole in exactly the right place, only in about 3 millimeters, then reverse the drill, push the drill bit in there so it acted like a key. I could then put a large wrench onto the wheel itself and rotate it, rotating it clockwise of course, to unscrew it, and I had to put a lot of pressure on. I think it might be quite common that these valves jam on like this, because naturally when they're on they're fully anti-clockwise and the wheel doesn't turn any further in that position. It's quite natural for people who don't know any better to just grab the wheel and turn it anti-clockwise, jamming it on even tighter. Anyway, these hand wheels are readily available and not very expensive, and the whole thing can be got back into service.